ASAP methodology. The accelerated SAP methodology framework consists of 6 phases of implementation. Each phase of the roadmap provides detailed plans to assist in documentation, recommendations, and implementation of SAP systems. Each phase of the process ends with a quality check that helps monitor the deliverables and other factors of critical success. Below is a brief description of each phase of the ASAP methodology roadmap. There are 6 phases of implementation are: project preparation, business blueprint, realization implementation, final preparation, go live, production go live support. Phase 1, project preparation. This phase focuses on the initial planning and preparation to set ASAP goals. The phase typically follows these 3 steps. 1. Clarify scope of implementation. 2. Establish the team, committees, teams, core, project, and consulting. 3. Define the sequence of project implementation. Phase 2. Business blueprint. The aim of this phase is to arrive at a common understanding concerned with the procedures intended to support the project. The business blueprint is a detailed document containing all requirements derived during initial brainstorming and initiation meetings. This is also where the project team revises its objectives and goals while setting a schedule for each. Phase 3, realization. This phase builds on phase 2. It's focused on implementing all business process requirements. In this phase, project managers should attain sign-off from stakeholders. 2 work packages define the system configuration methodology. 1. Baseline, concerned with the major scope. 2. Final configuration, concerned with the remaining scope. Phase 4, final preparation. The final preparation involves testing, system management, cutover activities, end-user training, and all other tasks that are required to go live. Successful completion of final preparation ensures that the organization is ready to begin using the new system. Phase 5, Go Live. This phase is the journey from a pre-production environment to a live project operation. The most critical elements in this phase are related to production support setup, monitoring system transactions, and optimizing system performance.